Hello and welcome to a brand new video of Global Techniques of Architecture. Every time I feel that visiting a showroom gives you a better perspective, a better understanding about the product. So, windows specifically into a developing country like India has a massive market. And there are very few leaders who have been very prominent and very promising into their success growth. So the best names about say international companies would be say Shuko, Kami, Technal, Hydro, Sapa, Facade One and others. But there is a company which is slowly, gradually growing, and if I'm not wrong, has completed almost like 50, 55 or 60 years into being into market and promoting very innovative products. So there's a known friend, I'll introduce you to him. Today we are at a showroom that we have been invited to just have a look on the products, and the company name I would like to decode is called Geeta Group of Companies. So probably unit number 7 is what we are looking at. Yes, that's the company gate. And of course, this is Vijay. Hi Vijay. Vijay is a known friend from Mumbai, and he's been into the industry for almost like 10 plus years. Very nice chap, very bright chap. From Mumbai, stationed in Bangalore for almost like now 5 years?
Almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years. And working with Geeta, he's a brilliant chap to work with. Knowing Vijay is of course an accomplishment for not only consultants like us, but also say the marketing fraternity. He has an eye for detail. Come with
please.
So since we are here at the showroom, I request my friend to just cover up the logo of the company we are into. Over to Vijay, my friend. Explain us what do you have into the showroom. All over to you.
Yes, sir. So we can start from here. This is our Slimo sliding windows. We call it completely sleek window because this is an imported profile which we have, and you can see this is a shutter which is completely concealed into the track, and we have a good multi-point locking system called Hobo. We use this which is compatible to our system, and this window is of a wood finish.
Now, to my viewers, I would like to make an emphasize that whenever you have a bigger shutter and whenever you visit a showroom, what you need to cover up is what are the types of handles that these window systems are compatible with. If you look at this Slimo sliding window by Geeta, the best part that you see is into this small mock-up that they have installed. They have installed two very beautiful handles. So one is being displayed by Vijay, which comes from Hopo. That has a separate lock and a separate bar for which acts as a handle that gets concealed. And second is with a C handle or say the D handle. Correct me if I'm wrong. Over to you. You have to present, boss.
This is the D handle shape. Again, a multi-point one, so that you can hold it, you can drag it, you can lock it. And the best part which we have displayed here, sir, we have done an architrave profile here for a complete sliding window. You can see a photo frame kind of a thing, which can be installed inside as well as outside. Yeah, and this is we have done with this subframe and a flashing. We call this as a flashing profile. Yeah. And this is completely a customized one. We have developed these profiles, and for a particular project called a premium villa project, we have developed more than 20 dies.
Superb. So that goes without saying that these would be even structurally stable, right?
Structurally stable, 0% of water to come inside, just by making a architrave profile.
Super.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next.
This is our next profile, which is again a bulky rigid one. This is called a 50 by 100 mm profile.
50 by 100, okay.
Yeah. And here also we have a good multi-point locking system with a transmission rod inside. And there is a top adapter, bottom adapter to make the shutter very rigid, a sturdy one, and it can take almost 300 kg weight, single shutter. And I can make the shutter up to 11 feet height, 12 feet height.
So this is for some clients, like some clients, some architects like the sleeker profiles, whereas some clients are of the opinion that if I'm spending more, I need to see more of a window.
Exactly.
So that window interlock has to be visible and has to be a very rigid and a solid aluminium bar that they would like to see. So this is the answer to the question wherein you want to see a complete system for 50 mm, and this would be beautifully seen visible. This we call it
This is a Georgian bar system.
Georgian
bar, which can be done on a casement profile as well as on a sliding profile. It can be beautifully fabricated and put on just for the aesthetic part.
Super.
So whoever clients wants to do a Georgian kind of thing, we can do it completely.
Come.
Yeah.
Now this is something new.
Yes,
This is 20.
This is our 25 by 54 profile. It's a
Okay.
sleek system. You can see the entire window. Just making a interlock profile, a sleek one.
So when he says sleek, the sleekness is about the interlock.
Yeah.
If you look at these lines,
These
on
are,
a bigger profile, you don't even see this, which is just 21 mm.
yes.
So when I say it's a sleek profile, it is sleeker than the immediate profile that we saw, Slimo series.
Yeah.
So Slimo series was 30 mm,
And
whereas this is just 21 mm.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah.
And we can use this for the economical range of windows, for affordable housing also, and for premium housing with
So
a single
this is
point
single
lock.
point locking.
Yeah.
Okay.
And maximum thickness of 6 mm glass is what we can put. And maximum thickness of the shutter will be 3 feet by 6.5 feet. So our window business is being divided as the maximum height. At what height we can use which profile.
Correct.
So it is divided like that, sir. And especially the sliding ones.
Perfect.
So in that case, here is another one, which is again a sliding.
Okay.
We call it 35 by 75 mm slim series
So
again.
when you say 35 is the interlock, right?
No, 35 is the shutter depth, sir.
Let the people know, let my
Yeah.
viewers know.
This is the depth of the profile. This is 35 mm
Okay.
by 75 mm.
That's great.
We can do a multi-point on this thing.
Okay.
And one more best part is we have a metro handle, which is newly developed by our R&D team in Bombay.
Okay.
So we have a handle, projection handle of the lock. You can hold, older people can hold it, they can drag it.
Now we are going away from facade. That's a question directly to Vijay. You can directly take Vijay into the
Yeah.
frame.
Yes, sir.
Which city is better? Is it Mumbai or Bangalore?
Sir, I would prefer Bombay is always better, but there is no comparison to Bangalore in terms of climate, in terms of the kind of the projects now happening here, I would say.
So for Vijay, I can confidently say that Mumbai is his Janma Bhumi
Yeah.
and Bangalore is his Karma Bhumi. Over to you.
Yeah.
So into this, additionally we can install mosquito mesh, right?
mesh, yeah. This mosquito mesh is also, this is a fiber mesh. Basically, we have given a horizontal transom here, so that more the bigger height we have to, for the sturdiness. For the sturdiness, we can give SS mesh, we can give aluminum mesh, and we have the same shutter profile as well.
Okay.
Then we take the SS profile. So basically, even this shutter takes 150 kg weight, single shutter.
Wow.
And I can make it 9 feet height, a single window, which is very economical. If you can see, sir, in industry, if you want to make a bigger height windows, a sleek system, in terms of that, it's very affordable. With
That's
all kinds
good.
of baskets.
Any major projects you are covering in Bangalore? Doing in
We
Bangalore?
are doing a premium sector as well as affordable sector. A high-rise tower also we have done.
Okay.
There's a client called SNN.
SNN Infra.
SNN stands for like they have group
Group of companies. Okay.
Group of companies. There are 4 directors there.
What's the biggest order churned out from this office?
Sir, I would say it's Chaitanya project,
Chaitanya project.
which is we are doing 163 villas.
163
Villas, it's a complete-
Bangalore is growing, boss. Bangalore is growing.
Yes, sir.
I'm so infatuated to start a window system looking at these systems.
You're most welcome, sir. I would like to collab with you anytime. We are here as a manufacturer.
That's
We
great.
can do, yeah.
We'll seriously look out for some projects. You also have casement series, I
We
think.
have this casement profile which we have to cover now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the casement detail. Slimo 52 EG 29
Yeah.
and Slimo.
See,
Okay, so we'll have to cross over to this point,
Yeah.
right?
So here starting from this we have the minimal casement thing,
Uh-huh.
like a budget friendly. If you want to do like basically goes as per the size, opening sizes.
So this would be basically for a bathroom window or a normal casement, any application.
We can do it because it is the
Single point.
lock with a beautiful powder coated one with a friction stay. And
So-
it's a minimal thing.
So gone are the days when we used to have windows just opening at this level, Now you see there's an offset allowing my wind to enter completely inside the area, which is a habitable area. So when you close this, you close it for 100%,
Yeah.
but when I open it, it opens also for almost 100%.
100%.
Because the wind flow can be bidirectional. That's good.
And cleaning also is easy for the retail customers and everyone
Super.
whoever is taking this particular thing.
It looks good. It looks good.
Yeah.
Second one,
Next,
a bigger one.
This is our 52 EG Euro group profile we call it.
52 EG.
EG. And the EG stands for the Euro group, which you can see here completely on this frame. This is a multi-point locking casement window.
Okay.
We can put this using our hinge it also. We have a door profile here. In this we have a door profile as well, which we can give for 10 feet height.
Wow.
Single swing door, hinge door. So this is again a multi-point lock window profile.
Can we use a DG into this?
Yeah, we can use a DGU glass in this.
Double glass.
Maximum 22 mm thickness of glass
22.
is what we can put in this. And this part
This is again a wooden profile, yes?
yeah,
Right?
this is a wooden profile coated again architrave thing, sir. You can see we have developed this kind of profiles and it can be compatible to major systems like our 52 EG system, 3575. You can do this architrave to all our sliding as well as casements.
Wow.
Yeah. And the best part of this particular system, I would like to tell you, even this is a GRU kind of a system. It's an imported one. We import this, and the locking you can see on this surface. At this surface, with a single leaf, you can open it, sir. With a single finger.
That's magical.
Yeah.
That's really good. So if you look at this,
Yes. It's a complete.
from this elevation, I don't see lock or handle.
Yeah.
It is just concealed
Concealed
inside the frame.
inside the frame.
So when I want to open it up, I need to just put my finger once inside this lever,
Yeah.
just take it above, use it as a handle,
Handle.
push it outside. And if I want to close it, the same thing happens again. And it again gets concealed.
Concealed it completely.
That's beautiful. This is something new that I've seen onto the hardware part.
Yeah. And all our retail customers like premium fellows who want to see the new windows to be done at their kitchens, their bedrooms and all small openings, we have preferred them this particular system.
Bangalore is more towards the villa market, I suppose.
Yeah, they're more into it because everyone wants to build as per their own aspects. Because they themselves design, they may take a plot. There's a lot of layouts projects going on there. When they take a land, they build a home as per their own design.
That's so good to be knowing a company like Geeta,
Yeah.
originally from Mumbai, I suppose,
Yeah.
and coming to Bangalore and looking at their showroom. Of course, into Mumbai also I see many locations, many showrooms, but say the fortunate part is only Vijay invited us.
That's what I'm
Only, only Vijay invited us to his showroom. Of course, as a consultant, we'll dive into more technical details for Geeta and considering Geeta as our potential supplier for other projects. But yes, we are thankful to Vijay once again for
always
calling
my
us.
pleasure, sir, that you have came all the way and sharing your knowledge first.
That's good. So for our viewers, keep watching, keep sharing the knowledge, keep sharing it to your architect friends, and yes, whenever you get a chance to visit a showroom like this of windows or facades or systems or glass, please do visit it. Once again, thanks for watching.